Webster's Dictionary defines the word bargain to mean bought or offered for sale more cheaply than usual or expected. Well, hang on to your hat, as WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet in Chipley, Florida offers bargains galore and the lowest price of the season with 50% off every item in the store. Friday, February 25th through Sunday, February 27th, 2022. As the weather warms, it's time to spring clean and freshen your home with bright, clean, colorful fabrics and patterns. From sheets and pillowcases to shams, comforters, blankets, and throws, it's now easier and more affordable than ever to give your home a bright new look. New products arriving every day, and if you haven't shopped WestPoint Home lately, well, you haven't shopped WestPoint Home. So enjoy great name brands like Southern Tide, Izod, Velux, Martex, and more, all at the lowest prices of the season at WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlets. 50% off everything in the store sale, February 25th through 27th, 2022. Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, just a mile north of I-10 at exit 120. Now open, it's WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet.